Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm truly excited to share something powerful with you. I've come across an incredible AI tool capable of delivering Hollywood-level production quality in just a matter of minutes. The tool is called Akool. With Akool, you can create stunning AI images and videos using top-tier models like Nano Banana Pro, Sora 2, and Veo 3.1. And it doesn't stop there. Akool also lets you produce highly realistic AI avatars, professional-grade AI voices, and much more. What makes Akool even more impressive is the trust it has earned from global giants such as Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft. Their platform showcases numerous achievements, including 7 million plus users, 73,000 plus companies, and over 300 million AI assets generated so far. If you're looking to step into the world of AI content creation or scale your digital income, Akool is definitely a tool you don't want to miss. In this tutorial, I will guide you through everything step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the end. You can visit the website using the link provided in the description. Once you open the website, click on the Sign Up button on the top right corner and register using any Google or email account. For now, I will be signing up with my Google account. After signing up, you will see an interface like this. Here, you can view all the tools available on Akool. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create high-quality images and videos using Nano Banana Pro, Sora 2, and Veo 3.1. To begin, I will create an image using Nano Banana Pro. For that, click on the Image Generator option, and you will see an interface like this. On the left side of the creation panel, you'll find two options for generating images: image to image and text to image. I'm going to select the text to image option. Next, you'll need to enter your prompt in the prompt section. You can also click on Quick Pick to generate a random prompt and then enhance it using the Improve Prompt feature for even more engaging results. I've already created an excellent image prompt with the help of ChatGPT, and I'll paste it here. After entering your prompt, select the model. I'll choose Nano Banana Pro for this example. You can also adjust the image quantity, aspect ratio, and quality. Akool provides unlimited 4K quality image generation with the Nano Banana Pro model, which is truly impressive. Now click on Unlimited Generate, and within a few seconds, your image will be ready. As you can see, the image has been generated. Tap on the image to open a menu with multiple options. From here, select Post and Earn to instantly share your image with the Akool community and earn credits. Whenever someone recreates your post, you'll receive 2 credits. Simply write a short description or use the Refine Description button to generate one automatically and then publish your post. Now let's go back. I'll show you how to convert this image into a video. When you hover over the image, you'll see the Generate Video option. Click on it. Your image will automatically move to the Image to Video section. The tool has already added a general effect for the video, and I'll keep that for now. Your image will already appear in the Input section, and an auto-generated prompt will also be available. I'll remove it and instead use a detailed prompt to achieve better results. After entering the prompt, you can choose whether to enable or disable AI creativity. Next, select the model. First, I'll generate a video using Sora 2, and then I'll create another using Veo 3.1. After selecting the model, choose your video quality and video length. I'll keep the video quantity at 1 and set the length to 12 seconds. Then click Generate to start the process. Now, I'll create another video using the same prompt but with Veo 3.1. After selecting the model, I'll choose an 8-second video length, enable AI-generated background music, set the quality to 1080p, and select a 16:9 video ratio. Then click Generate. After waiting a short moment, both videos will be ready. And as you can see, they've been successfully generated. You can regenerate these videos by clicking the Regenerate button if you're not satisfied with the results. Using the Post option, you can also publish them directly from here. The process for that has already been explained earlier. Now, I'll download both videos and play them one by one. As you can see, both VO 3.1 and Sora 2 produced impressive outputs, but I personally found the results from Sora 2 to be even better. Now let's try something different. Now I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro to generate a product image and then convert it into a marketing ad video. So first I'll enter my prompt here. I want to generate an image of sunglasses, a sleek pair of modern sunglasses placed on a reflective surface, high detail, cinematic lighting. After entering the prompt, I'll keep the remaining settings the same. For the image ratio, I'll select 9:16, which is ideal for marketing ads. Then I'll click on the Generate button, and the image will be ready. From here, you can directly post it or convert it into a video. All right, now let me apply some effects and show you. By clicking on Choose Effects, you can select any effect depending on your video style. I'm going to select a general effect under the Sora options. Now, I'll add my detailed video prompt to achieve better results. After entering the prompt, I'm setting the video duration to 8 seconds, and then I'll click on Generate. Now let me play the video for you.
Precision metal, featherweight comfort, and lenses that capture every color of the city. Style that speaks before you do.
Perfect. This looks like a stunning marketing ad. The visuals and video quality are absolutely impressive. You can post it directly from here or download it as well. I'll go ahead and download it.
Into the light. Precision metal, featherweight comfort, and lenses that capture every color of the city. Style that speaks before you do.
All right, now let's talk about Akool's pricing plans. Akool is currently offering an amazing deal on their yearly plans, where you get unlimited generation plus a 50% discount. So don't miss out. This is a limited time offer. As for the monthly plans, the free plan gives you only 5 minutes of video generation in 720p quality and only with the Akool Basic model. The standard plan costs $12 per month. The Pro plan is $24 per month, and the Pro Max plan is $95 per month. If you choose the yearly plans, with the 50% discount, you'll get Standard plan for $7, Pro plan for $15, Pro Max plan for $59, all with unlimited generation. So go ahead and try it out for yourself. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can keep getting tutorials on amazing AI tools. See you in the next video.